Okay, hello everyone. If you're on this video, you're probably an entrepreneur, a business owner, or a real estate agent, and you're looking to monetize your social media at a 10-30k per month. So this is a step-by-step system that we use, and it's literally tailored for dummies. So anybody can literally take this and start using it on their own social media pages. Okay, so this is the strategy that we use. In essence, it's a very simple, idiot-proof strategy that we like to advocate for here. So traffic, nurture, develop, convert. So at the top of the funnel, at the top of the stage, will actually be your TikTok traffic. So this is when people come in from your TikTok account through your video CTAs as well as your TikTok bios. So this is through your informative content, your motivational content, your audits. So you take a look at people's situation, then you audit their life, see what kind of property they can get, that kind of stuff. So from there, all the traffic will actually be deep drive into your Instagram page, and from your Instagram page is where you nurture with your stories, your Instagram highlights, as well as your DMs from your TikTok traffic and your Instagram reels. So very simple, right? I put that Instagram stories, but your Instagram stories isn't your simple "Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a day in life" nonsense. It's specifically tailored, if you can see the screen, specifically tailored for these 5 pillars. So one of which will be the daily story advice. So this is where you give daily advice that you don't give in your posts. So people will be more inclined to follow you because they will receive more advice from your stories. Yeah. So next will also be daily agenda. So daily agenda will be you posting your to-do list every single day and executing on them. So it shows your discipline, your motivation, and sort of like you doing what you say you will do lah. And also your client wins. So it goes to show like you are not a beginner, a newbie, but you have did this for people before. You have helped people, families actually become successful or get their dream home whatsoever. So next, motivation. So motivation kind of content can be 2 different ways. One of which will actually be to repost other creators. So this shows that you resonate with their beliefs. It also shares some form of like your own beliefs, your own opinions, and it attracts the like-minded individuals to you lah. Instead of you having no opinions, and also you won't attract anyone. So motivation is for you to like my business partner, he's religious. So he's a Christian, so what he does is he reposts a lot of Christian content. So he attracts a lot of these kind of Christian followers into his account. So do stuff like that, and you realize that you build a tribe of people that are like you, they will start following you after watching your videos. So next will actually be the free link magnet. So what I mean by the free link magnet, so in your videos, all what you can do is to actually, in your stories especially, you can tell them, hey, I'm going to release this new snippet soon, or I have this 5 to 7 checklists that you can use when you to market your business, to find your next property, whatsoever, a secret checklist, and send it on the story every 2 to 3 days. So people will be inclined and they'll see your stories more, than they'll be like, hey, maybe this lead magnet or this free checklist and guidebook will be beneficial in my journey, and they'll inquire to get from you. So next will actually be develop. So develop, there's 2 ways to go about doing it. Number 1, I mentioned, which is the free guidebook and checklist. So, or the long form YouTube videos, just like what I'm doing right now. So if you're watching this, you probably came from my TikTok or my Instagram page. But in essence, develop meaning to give a free guidebook, to give value before you get anything in return. So this way you post a story and say, hey, I have this free checklist that you can save 20k on your next real estate purchase, or you can save, or you can market your business and maybe add an additional 10k to your business, maybe bring in more leads. This is how you do that. 5 tips or 5 checklists. So people will be inclined, and you'll start. It's a conversation starter in a sense, because you're giving them value and they will come into your DMs to message you. You can give it to them and you guys can exchange a conversation, and you feel that, and if him and you feel that you guys are aligned and have the same values, you can go ahead into converting them, scheduling a call or an appointment with them. Yeah. So in essence, this is a pretty simple social media strategy. I would not like you guys to overcomplicate too much. Just be sure to the key issue here is that a lot of the traffic is stuck from TikTok. So the roadblock here, right, is actually bringing those traffic from TikTok into Instagram. So yeah, I've received countless DMs and people asking me, so yeah, I have like 200,000 plus followers on TikTok, but then how do I get them over to Instagram? Even though I have an Instagram bio, I have a link tree in my bio on TikTok, but nobody clicks it and nobody comes to my Instagram page. So how do you do that? The very quick answer I can give you is actually do a CTA in your TikTok traffic, in your TikTok videos, to tell them that, hey, actually I have a free guidebook, DM me on Instagram, because on TikTok I can't send it over to you. TikTok works that way. So yeah, text me on IG, text me and follow me on IG, and I will send it over to you. So do this kind of thing to actually make sure that you get the eyeballs, because on TikTok it's much easier to get views, to gain traction, to get more eyes onto your brand rather than Instagram. But the main concern is that buyers on TikTok aren't as active and ready as compared to Instagram. Yes, there's TikTok Shop, but those are mid-tier buyers, and if you are selling real estate or you are selling marketing or whatever service you're in, you have the goal is to actually nurture them, to make sure that they understand your value, understand who you are, give them free value first before they come to speak to you on the call or whatsoever. Because when they actually take the time out to speak to you on the call, they really know who you are and you guys can move straight into it. Okay? And with that, I think that I basically covered what we covered for today. We just keep it short, sweet. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll link a description. I'll link calling with us. So if your team, your business or your team wants to grow and monetize on social media and you guys need help, yeah, I'll drop the link there as well. Our team will speak to you soon. Okay, that's the end of this video, and like and subscribe for more videos like this.